As customers begin to return to spas and other businesses that offer massages, they will be concerned with the cleanliness of the massage room and the air around them. Provide them with the peace of mind afforded by the state-of-the-art UV disinfection fixtures available from Larson Electronics. This UV disinfection package includes one INDAH UVC LF24 SFWLM10C120V indirect UV air disinfection fixture and one INDHL HDB BX55 120V 15C handheld surface sanitizer. This kit is designed for different areas around a massage room. These areas can include but are not limited to tables, counters, and chairs, as well as the air circulating within the room. The Larson Electronics INDHL HDB BX55 120V 15C is a UVC handheld surface sanitizer which can disinfect and kill 99% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores on surfaces, workstations, tables, desks, as well as devices, machines, and personal equipment. This unit offers UVC output at a range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers and comes equipped with a 55-watt high-powered biax UV fluorescent lamp. The aluminum UV system has 15 feet of 16.3 chemical and abrasion-resistant SOOW cord and a back-located handle for close-up UV light treatment. The lights in this UV system offer 16.5 total watts of UV output, have an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours, and they emit a flood beam pattern. With a 2-foot-long lamp, this UV system caters to a wide range of sanitation activities via 180 degrees of coverage. Operators may move the UV light around after exposure time to disinfect several locations. A red indicator light at the back of the unit notifies individuals when the lamp is on. This UV germicidal device comes with an on and off switch located near the handle. Multiple devices can be purchased to cover larger areas more quickly. At less than 5 pounds, this portable and lightweight design allows the device to be held directly over the target surface or object with ease. The indirect UV air disinfection fixture helps to reduce the risk of cross-infection and minimizes the exposure of occupants to infectious airborne microbes. This stainless steel air disinfection unit features a single 20-watt UV bulb that produces 7.5 watts of UV output at a wavelength of 254 nanometers. The light emits a flood beam pattern and has an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours. This fixture is a wall-mounted unit and operates on 120 volts AC current. This UV air disinfection fixture projects ultraviolet rays across the top of the room it is mounted in. The upper air in the room that passes through the UV rays via convection currents or forced air circulation is then sanitized. Bacteria and viruses present in the air that passes through the UV rays produced by the fixture are destroyed. The air in the room is constantly being purified as it flows through the UV rays being produced by the fixture. This unit is capable of disinfecting the air within an area 9 feet wide and 16.25 feet long from the front of the unit. The enclosure of this fixture is built from 304 stainless steel. A series of front-mounted louvers protects people from harmful UV light, as well as maximizing the amount of UV rays that are projected across the upper air of the room. A parabolic reflector with specular aluminum inserts directs as much light from the bulb out of the unit as possible. Keep your clients, customers, and yourself safer and offer an increased peace of mind with our UV disinfection package for massage rooms. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.